तो बाशी स्टाफ अपॉइंटमेंट लगा इश्यूज कुंदु बिशी डेरी प्रा पेंडिंग थगिशे इतो मामला अपोर नागालैंड कमिश्नर ग्रेगरी थेजावी ले प्रा खुशी के मामला दो कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट लोगों ने टेक अप कुरबुले से इतो लगा जानकारी दो नागालैंड कमिश्नर ग्रेगरी थेजावी ले के ऑनर डिबुले निमिदे रिसेप्शन प्रोग्राम थगिया होमोय जुनाई दिशे मनु कमिटी थगिया जानिगिना सर्विस रूल्स तो फाइनलाइज हुआ पिछले रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस तो शुरू कुरबु को गिना थेजावी ले प्रा खुशी
with a lot of deficiencies, with so many shortfalls. I think working with these seasoned officers, senior officers, had a lot of impact in my career. So till today, I'm really grateful for all of them. I have had the privilege of working with Karkevik Sasa for a short period. Late Dr. L.D. Reddy, then late Monto Jasa, and then Vise Kose, and late Norman Putzere, Sarzalio, Ramakrishnan, and like that. I can't be naming all of them, but I've worked with these officers, and so I've gained a lot. Not only with the deputy commissioners, but through colleagues and other officers with whom I have worked. We had a very rich experience working with them, and they have also contributed equally. And we not only perform our duties, we also learn through our staff. So that way, we were privileged to have worked with many experienced officers and staff of DC office, and till today all those the learnings that I have, it has been very helpful, and till today I cherish that. I'm grateful to all of them. District administration, we now have 17 districts. Earlier we had 7, then it increased to 8, then to 11, so on, and now we have 17 districts. But as some of you have already mentioned, of all the districts, this is the first district, the oldest district, and that way it has its own history, its legacy. And if you really think this being the state capital, it's a very important office, both in the past as of today also. So I think I always say this, whoever is posted to the DC office Kohima, I think we are privileged. And with that privilege, I think it's our bounden duty also to serve to the best, in the best possible manner, and have your contribution, give your contribution to the
Program the Kohima Deputy Commissioner Henok Pujempra Infrastructure Development, Upskilling of Manpower or Strengthening E-Governance Nishna Key Focus Area de Kota Krishe. Kohima DC Office laga 150 Sal Manabo, Karne Tayari do Shuru Hoshi Koigina Pujempra Junaidishe.
And a privilege to welcome the Commissioner of Nagaland, who had also served as the Deputy Commissioner of Kohima, back to his home turf. We in the Kohima District Administration continue to draw a lot of inspirations from all the works that you have done over your long period of your career here in Kohima District and culminating as DC. You have stayed steady in the face of adversity and proved as an unwavering anchor during the challenging times. Today, the Kohima District Administration and the people of Kohima are indeed immensely proud that you are now leading the state of Nagaland as the Commissioner Nagaland and as the native son of the soil, a leader who can connect with us and extend support whenever required. Sir, you may be very well aware that Kohima Deputy Commissioner Office was established way back in 1879. And so Kohima DC office, then under Naga Hills, now under Nagaland State, has become a historical and administrative hub, also as a repository of various landmark events. And so today time has come for this office to start planning for this historical milestone of celebrating 150 years anniversary in 2029. As has been rightly called the first district of Nagaland, Kohima, it is incumbent for everyone here, both officers, staffs, and Tubashis, to set the standard for other districts to follow. And so I recollect, think about three things where we have to continue to keep working. The first one is infrastructure, to enhance the aesthetic beauty and not to make our office look boring, dull, and unwelcoming, but to make our office look more welcoming, hospitable, warm, and fresh. To this end, during the past 1 year, we have done our bit, and it is for everyone to have a look. And number two is for all of us, officers and staffs and Tubashi, to upskill ourselves, the manpower, and also maximize our potentialities for public welfare. Third one is much more crucial. E-governance is the best answer to many issues related to governance. It is therefore our attempt to switch over as much as possible to digital and app-based public delivery system. And so almost all our branches, officers and staff, we are working to make our branches as much as the ease of doing administrative services and public delivery services in our district. And one item which is in the final stage of implementation is the ST Indigenous and PRC system. As and when it is launched, it is going to be user-friendly, it is going to be citizen-friendly, it will be easy for record keeping, and it will be free from much of the duplications and problems we face day in and day out from the robust procedures we are going to have. So these three are the key items which we have in mind, and we are continuing to work upon that with all the support from my officers and staffs and Tubashis. And over and above that, we in the Kohima district, we continue to look for ways and means how we can do things better. And so for the past 1 year, you have been very supportive, you and all our officers. And so we are very grateful to you, and we are also happy that officers from Commissioner's Office are here. My batchmate Waran is here. We are thankful. Mr. Tiso, who is not new to this office, is here with us. And I'm also happy officers from the outposts are here. And Mr. Yani, thank you for coming. And so, from other line department, Mr. TPRO and other officers are here, and all my officers and staff who have promptly made it. And we are thankful. We wanted to welcome all of you, and especially our commissioner, back to his home. So once again, thank you, and may God bless you all.